Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 2. How are you? I hope you will be fine and enjoying at your home. Welcome to your English class. Open your OPE book. Open page number 24, Unit 4, Checkup Time. Dear students, he is Chimp, a monkey, and this is Chimp's family. Dear students, look at the picture. I'll tell you about the family and you have to write the correct number along the correct names. Okay? So listen to me very carefully. He is Chimp. She is Chimp's sister. Chimp's brother. Chimp's grandpa. Chimp's uncle. Chimp's auntie. This is Chimp's auntie. And she is Chimp's grandma. Listen to me again. Chimp's uncle, Chimp's auntie, Chimp's grandma, Chimp's grandpa, Chimp's brother, Chimp's sister. And he is Chimp himself. Dear students, he is Chimp and Chimp is telling about his family, that what is everyone doing and who are they. Dear students, how weird it will look if I say it is auntie, it is grandpa, it is brother. Dear students, it is very wrong if I say it, if I will use it or any name, a name. Dear students, although I am saying Chimp's uncle, Chimp's grandpa, Chimp's auntie, it's right, but it looks more good when I say she is Chimp's auntie, he is Chimp's brother, and she is Chimp's sister. So, dear students, he, she, they, we, you, I are pronouns. What are these pronouns? Dear students, look at this. He, she, you, I, they, we. These are the pronouns. Pronouns, a word that take the place of noun. So, dear students, in a conversation, in a story, we use pronoun instead of noun. As you know that a noun is a person's name of anything, a person, any animal, any place. But in a story, if we use noun in first sentence, in second sentence, we use pronoun. For example, Ali is singing a song. He sings very well. Got it? Again, I'm telling you. Saira is eating mangoes. She likes mangoes very much. Now look at the exercise. See? Use the letters to make the words. Here, in this exercise, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Grandpa, a man, horse, cart, she is grandma, and this is car. Dear students, let's find out the pronouns in this story. This is grandpa, this is grandpa, this is grandpa's farm. These people are on the farm. This is grandpa's farm. Grandma is driving her car, but she is behind a cart. What we are talking about? Grandma. First, grandma was driving her car, but in this picture you can see grandma is behind the cart and she is pushing the cart. Cart is full of the wood. Okay, there is a lot of wood on the cart. Poop, 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 says her car. Now, the cart is stuck in this road, on the road. The horse cannot pull the cart, and that's why the car is behind the cart, and because they cannot drive ahead because in the middle there is a cart is stuck. Now read it again. Grandma gets out of the car. ग्रैंडमा जो है कार से बाहर निकल आई। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख रहे हैं ये जो कार्ट है ये बहुत ज़्यादा भरा हुआ है, तो ये बीच में अटक गया है, इसलिए इनकी गाड़ी आगे नहीं जा सकती थी। तो ये ग्रैंडमा है बाहर निकल आई है। अब आप देखें कि ये क्या कर रही है, ये इसको धक्का दे रही है। ठीक है, she pushes the cart, a man pulls. She shouts loudly, but it won't go. Then Grandpa comes out of his house. Look at this house. This Grandpa is coming out of this house. He has some sugar in his hand. Good, says Grandma. Now the cart will go. Dear students, here we use Grandpa, okay? Grandpa's farm. Now this is grandma. Grandma is driving her car, but the whole sentence is about grandma. Here we use grandma and we use she. She is behind a car. When we use here grandma, again we will use here pronoun because we are talking about this noun, and here we use the pronoun she, okay? There is a lot of wood on the cart. Says her car. Grandma gets out of her car. Now again we are talking about grandma. She pushes the cart. Dear students, for a woman, any girl or female, we use the pronoun she, she, she. For men, boys or any male, we use the pronoun he, he. For so many people, we use the pronoun they, okay? THEY, they. And for myself, we use pronoun I. I means me. And you means you. Now her grandma is a woman, we use her she. For man, we use he, okay? Now in this story, you have to find out the pronouns. It is your homework to find out pronouns. You have to color yellow pronoun, okay? You have to color the pronoun like he, she, okay? Where डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जहाँ भी आपको प्रोनाउन नज़र आ रहा है, अब आपको पता चल गया है कि प्रोनाउन क्या होता है, तो आपको इस स्टोरी में प्रोनाउन को येलो कलर करना है. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. डू योर होमवर्क केयरफुली.